Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Audi RS5 Sportback, a car that blends high performance with everyday practicality. With its aggressive design, luxurious interior, and thrilling driving dynamics, this latest RS5 is a serious contender in the high-performance sports sedan segment. Audi has fine-tuned its formula to offer more precision, more style, and an even more engaging experience behind the wheel. From the outside, the RS5 Sportback immediately stands out with its bold and aggressive stance. The signature single-frame grille is finished in gloss black, sitting wider and lower than before, flanked by sharp matrix LED headlights with laser technology for improved visibility. Large air intakes on the front bumper enhance aerodynamics and cooling, while the sculpted hood and flared wheel arches emphasize the car's performance pedigree. The side profile is sleek yet muscular, with RS-specific side skirts and a sloping roofline that gives it a coupe-like silhouette. It rides on stunning 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, and for those who want an even sportier look, Audi offers the black optic package with darker accents. At the rear, the aggressive diffuser, signature oval exhaust tips, and an adaptive spoiler complete the high performance. This car doesn't just look fast, it demands attention from every angle. Step inside, and the RS5 Sportback greets you with a driver-faced, high-tech and luxurious cabin. The RS Sport seats are wrapped in premium Valcona leather with contrast stitching, offering excellent support and comfort for spirited driving. Carbon fiber trims, Alcantara accents, and RS-specific badging elevate the sporty feel, while the flat-bellomed perforated leather steering wheel provides an excellent grip, complete with aluminum paddle shifters. The fully digital 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus delivers crisp graphics with RS-specific performance readouts like a G-force meter and shift indicators. The 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into the dash, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. The Sportback design means rear passengers enjoy more headroom than a typical coupe, and the trunk space is surprisingly generous, making the RS5 Sportback a practical choice without compromising its sporty nature. Under the hood, the 2025 RS5 Sportback continues to impress with its 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering a thrilling 444 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior grip in all conditions. The 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission provides lightning-fast shifts, allowing the RS5 to launch from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds. The adaptive suspension system offers a perfect balance between comfort and razor-sharp handling. And for those who want even more control, the optional dynamic ride control further enhances the driving experience. The RS Mode button on the steering wheel lets drivers instantly engage a more aggressive setup, sharpening throttle response, tightening the suspension, and amplifying the exhaust note. The RS Sport exhaust system provides an intoxicating growl, making every acceleration feel even more exhilarating. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the RS5 Sportback delivers an engaging and confidence-inspiring ride. Pricing for the 2025 Audi RS5 Sportback starts at around $80,000, but with optional features like carbon ceramic brakes, the black optic package, and upgraded technology, the price can climb closer to $95,000. For those looking for a high-performance car that can handle both daily commutes and spirited drives, the RS5 Sportback is a fantastic choice. It offers an unbeatable combination of speed, luxury, and practicality, making it one of the most well-rounded performance cars in its class. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Audi RS5 Sportback. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Gear Hub for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.